This video got over 5 million views. But is this product actually making money? I'm about to show you how to validate the success of any product you find on TikTok. That way you can see how much they're really making. My name's Alex if you're new, and without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So one product you always see on TikTok videos are those essential oil diffusers, especially the flame ones. Now let's say you came across one of those videos on your feed and you're wondering how much they're making. Because you can see those videos always tend to perform well. You can see this one has over 400,000 likes, this one has over 10,000, 65,000, 52,000, 24,000, and we're not sorting it by likes or anything. This one has 29,000, 18,000, and yeah, some of these have like 80 or 100 likes. But the point is, this product tends to perform very well on TikTok. So how many sales is it actually generating for each one of these stores? Let's take a look. So I'm gonna log into a product research tool that I use called Zik Analytics. And Zik is gonna allow me to look up each one of these products on TikTok so that we can track their sales. We can see how many sales each one of these products is generating and the amount of revenue that it's bringing in every single month. So we'll start by going over here on the left-hand side to their product explorer tool. Over here where it says keywords, we're gonna type in the name of our product. We'll type in diffuser since we always see those on TikTok videos. We have a ton of other search criteria over here, but for now we're just gonna leave this blank, unless you wanted to look up products that were specifically running on TikTok ads. But I just wanna look up all those essential oil diffusers and see how much they're making for other Shopify stores. So we'll type in the name of our product under keywords and we'll click search. All right, so you can see all of these different listings containing the word diffuser. You can see this Magna Essential Oil Diffuser right up here at the top. It's being sold by the same brand. They're selling it for $40 when this is like a $5 or $6 product on AliExpress. And it's bringing in $35,000 and $56,000 for another listing. We can take a look at those numbers a little bit closer by analyzing their store right here. And we can see that this oil diffuser is being sold by Urban Sync Studios. They're one product store with over 700 sales and $114,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. You can see that essential oil diffuser again down here at the bottom. They added this product in January of this year, and already you can see that this product page needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I mean, you have two different color options, black with remote, white with remote, different plug types. So just clean it up a little bit more. You have your AliExpress description down here. Like honestly, there's nothing to this product page. Like they're probably just creating some viral TikTok videos and making sales, but I don't see how this is a 6-figure a month product page. If they can make over $100,000 a month selling this product, there's no reason you can't. So I'll go back to the product explorer and we'll look up other listings of stores that are selling those diffusers. Here's another oil diffuser. This one's doing $10,000 a month. Here's another one. This one's doing $5,000 a month. Then you have some essential oil listings that are doing, $1,000 a month, $3,000 a month. This one's pretty cool. This is actually really unique. This would be a great dropshipping product. Here's a train diffuser. So it actually shoots the essential oils out of the smokestacks there. That's actually pretty cool. It's doing almost $6,000 a month right now. Let's take a look at this store though. That's pretty interesting. So this is the brand Air Frost. They have 4 products, over $14,000 in revenue over the last 30 days and over 500 sales. And it looks like they're doing all of their advertising with Instagram organic. We'll scroll down, we can see all their different products down here. So they are just a general dropshipping store testing a bunch of different products, but this train diffuser is actually performing pretty well for them. So this is a good product, but it's not the one that we were just looking at on TikTok. So let's go back to our search results one more time. Keep scrolling down. Here's some more diffusers down here. Here's some of those flame diffusers, although this one's only doing $1,300 a month. This one's doing $3,000 a month. Scroll down, we see another flame diffuser down here. This one's doing $3,300 a month. One more flame diffuser down here. This one's doing $2,800 a month. Here's another wooden diffuser, $3,000 a month. So you can see that most of these diffusers are doing between $1,000 and $3,000 or $4,000 every single month, except for that first brand we found that's doing over 6 figures with this product. And just based on those numbers right there, that validates this product right here. You could definitely run this diffuser on TikTok. So let's go back to TikTok, and right here's another trending product that we see go viral every single year. Many dropshippers, including myself, have sold this product in the past, and truly the demand is never going to go away for this product, even though it is pretty saturated. But that's that dog hammock that you see right here, and yeah, there's some videos with 200 likes, 500 likes. So this one has almost 600,000 likes. This one has 16,000, 12,000. I mean, it just goes to show there are so many different sellers selling this exact same product. This one has 12,000 likes. Then some of these have 40, 80 likes. It just goes to show that you really have to stand out with your content. And that's true with any brand in 2025. You can't just build a half-assed dropshipping store, slap up some image ads, and expect it to perform. It's not 2017 anymore. But say you come across another viral product just like this on your For You page, or you're doing some product research on TikTok. However you come across it, let's say you want to know the numbers behind this product right here. We'll go back to our Product Explorer tool, and this time we'll type in the name of this product, being the dog hammock. We'll go ahead and click search. And wow, you can see all the different listings of these stores selling this dog hammock. So right here you have two US brands. This one's doing $33,000 a month with it. This one's doing over $8,000 a month with it. Here's a Canadian brand doing $17,000 a month. And then you have a few other stores doing $4,000. That's a different product. This one's doing $1,500. This one's doing almost $2,000. This one's just doing $700, $700, $600, $1,800. So you see the exact same product down here being sold by a ton of different pet brands. And then some of these listings down here are just a couple $100 every month, so they're obviously not focused on it. But when you see stores that are doing about $20,000 a month, $10,000 a month, or even $30,000 a month, that really does validate the demand behind this product, because it shows that it's working for other sellers right now. And it's not overly saturated, because sometimes with products, you see multiple brands that are doing over 100K a month and scaling. And that's when you start to worry about the demand behind products starting to dry up a little bit, because everybody and their dog is starting to hop on this trend, and literally with these dog hammocks. So I just wanted to show you really quickly how you can find products on TikTok, whether you're doing research or scrolling through your For You page, and actually see how well they're performing for other dropshippers or the stores that are selling them. Because we can find viral products on TikTok, look them up on Zik, see how many sales they're making, when they were uploaded, and everything else to do with each one of these products. That way there's no more guesswork involved, and we can determine if it's actually a product we would want to focus on with one of our own stores. And based on the research we just did, both of those products would perform pretty well in a dropshipping store right now, because they're both making tens of thousands of dollars for other brands every single month. So try this out yourself, because you're going to be surprised with some of the products you find on TikTok. And it's not what you think. You'll find videos with lower amounts of views that are doing insane amounts of sales. And you'll also find products that are generating crazy amounts of views, but barely making any sales. So find those viral products on TikTok and use Zik to validate them. That way you have a higher chance of success when you go to sell them yourself. It's just that simple. You guys now know how to validate any product you come across on TikTok. You can take those products right from TikTok, search them up on Zik, and see how many sales they're actually getting. That way you can determine if they're truly a winner or just a waste of your time. And this saves you a lot of time and money when it comes to testing new products. Like I already mentioned, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Zik down below in case you guys are interested. Down there, you'll also find a ton of other helpful resources like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.